کافی اچھا سیشن رہا. ان کا وزٹ کافی سکسیزفل تھا. اسٹوڈنٹس گاٹ این اپرچونیٹی ٹو آسک questions about marka haq, and we are highly grateful to armed forces.
It was really a brilliant session, and this session has cleared all the myths that are spreading around the social media.
It was a wonderful session. The things we've been taught, the misconceptions that the students have, they were cleared. The students were not aware of what it actually was. It was just what they had seen in the TV or the media that had been taught to them.
So the session today with Army was quite well. It went well. The Major General briefed us about some important points, and the question answer session, he elaborated very good points, and the session overall went really well, and I really appreciate the efforts put forward by our soldiers.